Hey guys, Jason here. Today we're going to replace the water valve on a Kenmore washer. You might need to replace the valve if the washer won't fill or won't stop filling up with water. Before we get started, take a second to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us create more repair guides to help you do it yourself. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll need a flat-blade screwdriver, a putty knife, some pliers, and a 1/4-inch nut driver. While you're getting those together, remember that safety comes first. Go ahead and unplug the washer to prevent any risk of electrocution.
And while you're at it, turn off the water supply as well.
We're going to need to get into the console, so you need to use a putty knife here. On the left and right sides, you'll see a clip that holds the console to the cabinet. Slide the putty knife under the console about 1 inch from each end. Then push the clip towards the back of the machine, while gently prying up and pulling forward to release one side. You'll need to do the same to the other side, and flip the console over. Next, we need to disconnect the lid switch. Now you'll see 2 brass clips holding the cabinet to the back panel. Use a flat blade screwdriver and push down and release the clips.
Then you can tilt the cabinet down and forward and slide it off the frame.
You can find the valve on the back wall of the washer. Use your pliers to remove the fill hoses.
There might be water in the line, so be sure to have some towels handy.
Then unscrew the 1/4-inch screw. Then disconnect the wire harnesses and unclip the water valve.
Loosen the hose and disconnect it.
Once that's done, install the new valve and clip it in.
Then reconnect the wire harness.
Then reinstall the 1/4-inch screw.
Don't forget to reattach your water lines.
If you find any bulges or cracks in your hose, this is the best time to replace them. If one of those busted while no one was home, it would flood your house. When you're done, you can reinstall the cabinet and flip the console back over.
Reinstall the brass clips by hooking them into the back panel and pushing them down. Then reconnect the lid switch.
Then slide the tabs into the bottom of the console into the holes in the top of the cabinet. After that, just push down the console till it locks in place and you're done.
Don't forget to plug your washer back in and turn your water back on.
If you still need a replacement valve, head over to AppliancePartsPros.com to get a new one. Most orders arrive in 2 business days, and we have tons of videos to help you install your new parts. In the meantime, don't forget to hit those like and subscribe buttons so you'll see our newest videos. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you next time.